Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing beautiful birthday cake for boys. This is very easy to make, guys. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in eggs. Add in sugar whilst mixing the eggs. So I'm using a hand mixture for this recipe. I'll whisk this eggs till it's light pale yellow and then till it's until it has doubled in size. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So guys, this is more or less what you're looking for. It should be something like this. So as you can tell from the video, it has even tripled in size. At this point, I'll go ahead and add in oil whilst whisking, or you can add in the oil and then whisk after you've added the oil. After everything has come together, I'll then add in coconut extract. So I did 2 layers of this birthday cake, 1 coconut extract and 1 orange flavor. I'll then add in flour and baking powder. I'll sieve it to it and then I'll whisk again. The flour, I divided it into 2 and then added in half, and then I'll add in the rest whilst it's done whisking. You want everything to whisk well. So I added in milk as well, and then I'll add in salt, a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. I'll add in the last of the flour and then I'll whisk until everything has come together. So guys, it should be like this when done. It should be creamy butter like this. I'll then transfer it into my baking tray, but make sure you line your baking tray with the parchment paper before pouring the butter in it. I'll bake this at 170 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you tap to take out any excess bubbles before baking it. So guys, this is it. This cake is soft, it's delicious and yumicious. So I then placed my cake board on top and then take out the parchment paper. So just look at this cake. It's very soft and delicious. Wow, this cake turned out so delicious, guys. Just look at how it turned out soft. Whilst the cake is cooling down or resting, I'll go ahead with the whipped cream. So in a bowl, I added in the whipped cream. I'll whip this until it's almost firm, and then I'll add in cream cheese and just a little bit of powdered sugar. So like I said, I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section. But the cake, if it's too soft for you, or if you think it will be very soft, you can just adjust the flour. Make sure you add in a little bit more and then you're good to go. So I'll whip until it's firm like this, and this is ready to be used. So since I used orange flavor for my second cake, for the second cake that I did, so I used orange jam. I spread orange jam on top of the first one and then the whipped cream. But if you want, you can use pastry filling or you can use any jam of your choice. So I then placed the second layer on top and then I'll cut it to make sure it's well leveled before decorating it. When you get to this point, all you have to do is apply the whipped cream on top and then around the cake. As they say, practice make man perfect. So please try this like once, and then maybe the next time it will come perfect like this. Try it, just keep trying. When it's your kid's birthday, make the cake for them yourself, and if you make it yourself, you know what is going in there. So guys, this is so delicious. So I then use a spatula to make sure it's well leveled, and then I use a pastry brush to make a brush design on it. You can do it anyhow you want it, and when you get to this point, you are ready to go. Put some in a piping bag and then just decorate it on top anyhow you want it. This turned out so delicious, guys. I did this for a friend, and he was very happy of the outcome because the cake was soft. It was so delicious, trust me. He had a birthday party and he celebrated it with this amazing, beautiful cake. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. So guys, the colors, I just added blue, light blue, and then the deep blue. Use any colors of your choice. After you are done whipping the cream, add in just a little bit of blue color if you want a light blue. And then the last thing that I'm sprinkling on top is sugar sprinkle. This is it, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Just look at it. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video. Try this and let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.